There's lots of funding out there that's from the federal government, but they have different purposes. So you first have to ask yourself, why are you needing funding? If you have an idea, you have some preliminary research done, you have a product that's still in development, that needs some tweaking, that needs some testing, so that needs some what we call research done, there might be something for you if you are willing to apply for SBIR and STTR funding. This is through the SBIR and STTR programs. So how much money is available? Over $3 billion is available each year for you, small businesses, to conduct your research, to develop something that has been either in basic research and developed for a commercial product, or a new application that still needs some R&D work done for a commercial product. Since National Science Foundation, it was the first federal agency to start their SBIR and STTR programs, they nicknamed it America's Seed Fund. So a seed fund is something that helps start a company. So America's Seed Fund is what they nicknamed it, and the other agencies also picked up on this. So this is why it's called America's Seed Fund. Currently, there are 11 federal agencies that qualify to have SBIR programs, and 5 of those super large agencies also have STTR programs. So not all the SBIR agencies participate in STTR, but all the agencies that participate in STTR participate in SBIR program. The good news about this is it's not a loan. It comes in the form of research contracts and research grants, meaning when you get the money, unless you do something major wrong that's illegal, that you get to keep that money if the research proves feasible, meaning it works, or you're proving that it doesn't work. Remember, research is risky to get funded, so it might work, it might not work, but you can rest assured that that money is for your company. There, as again said with the Code of Federal Relations and the SBIR, there are going to be restrictions on what you can use the money for, but that's what its intent is, to help you and your company. It's also non-dilutive. That means that you do not have to worry about someone taking away your equity to actually have in exchange for the money, equity being ownership of your company. So you can rest assured that your money is your money, and you're not giving it to like a venture capitalist or an angel investor who's then going to take part of your company. It's going to be used for cutting edge, risky research, as I mentioned. And what is research? I get that question a lot. What is research? Research in this instance is not doing a market research. You're not trying to figure out if someone is going to like a blue one or a red one. This is going to be research to make sure that it works as intended. It's going to say, does this algorithm produce the right results? Does this cancer treatment actually reduce cancer? Does this coating on an airplane wing repel ice? And so that is the type of research that we're talking about. Also, the good thing about this money is it helps de-risk your technology so you can attract investors. If you went right now where your technology is to an investor and they said, sorry, come back when you've got some proof. And you're like, well, where am I going to get the money for that proof? This is a possible solution for that money. So why is the government doing this? They want to help you compete for up to $1.5 million. That's a lot of money to help you as a small business. You're not going to be competing against universities. You're not going to be competing against large prime contractors. They're trying to help you as a small business